Welcome on Travels Code channel. In this video I will show you how to set up React 17 environment on a clear new Windows computer, Windows 10, in less than 5 minutes. So let's start. We have our Windows. Let's open kmd, command prompt. Let's check, do we have Node? We have no Node.js. We don't have NPM, we don't have yarn, so nothing. Okay, first of all, we need to install Node.js and NPM. To do it, we need to open our Firefox browser and download NPM and Node. Let's go to Node.js.org, download. Here we see that we have Windows installer and we need the MSI for 64-bit. Let's save it. So it was completed. Now we can open, click yes. Let's click next. We accept terms. We see that we have NPM package manager. Okay. And install. Installation was completed. Let's click finish. And now we will install some additional tools for Node.js, but in general it's not required. Okay, we can close for now installation these additional tools. We do not need them. What do we need? We need to open new command prompt and check installed Node.js and NPM. Let's open new one. Check Node. So we have Node 14, NPM. We have NPM and let's check npx. npx is a tool, it will be automatically installed with your NPM. And now to create our first React application, we need only run npx create React app and put app name, let's call it hello. Click enter and as you see we started creating new application, React application. While it's installing, let's open create React app documentation from GitHub, and here you will find all information you need how to set up this application. So create React app is CLI for installing the complete environment of React with unit tests, linting, server for reloading your application when you change something. So everything what you need is here. It's the best way to set up React environment and do what you need. I prefer this one and all my applications are created using this approach. Let's go back, it's still installing. And now we have success. Application was created. Now what we need to go to cd hello. Let's go to the folder. And now we can run npm start. Server is started. we need allow access. So as you see, we opening new tab with localhost 3000. Server was started and we have our React application. So that's it, pretty easy installation. And now you can change any files in your application using your favorite IDE, and all changes will be automatically applied to the application, and the application will reload after all your changes. So thank you for watching, and good luck with developing React application. If you want to know how to create some cool stuff with React, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.